Okay, go ahead, Dee.
This is a family we met from South Africa. We're in Singapore today, and they're 12 years old, 10 years old, and 7 years old. And they're from
what city?
South Africa.
Eastland, South Africa.
So we
it's
want
Graham
them to
Weber and
Bronwyn.
okay.
Bronwyn. Say your names.
Okay.
And David. Yeah.
And their dad promised to bring you to California next year.
But we want them to talk a little bit so we can hear the accent.
They're not